This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you are logged into the account that created the event. This matters because only creators can remove upcoming events. Once done, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu at top right, then choose Events or locate the event post in your feed. You need the event details screen visible before you proceed to editing controls, so make sure you can see the event title, date, and hosting options. Now access the event controls by tapping the three-dot menu on the event post or inside the event details screen. This reveals editing and management options. Choose Edit or Manage Event to find Remove, Cancel, or Delete options. You should review attendees and any scheduled reminders because canceling may notify them. Decide whether to message attendees first. If the event is linked to a scheduled live or post, make sure to finish by selecting Cancel or Delete and confirm the action when prompted. Instagram will often ask whether to notify attendees or remove the event from calendars, so choose according to your needs. Once deleted, double-check the event no longer appears for followers and clear any related scheduled posts. If the deletion fails or the option is missing, make sure you are the event owner, update the app, or switch account types. If problems persist, log out and back in, or reinstall the app before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.